Traditionally, in courses, especially in higher education, we use primarily a textbook as the source of information that we ask our students to view, read, and then use in some way in completing assignments in the course. Well, nowadays, with internet technologies, we are able to access quite a few digital resources that can either supplement or possibly even replace a textbook in a course. And we want to use resources that will enhance learning for our students. What value does those resources add? And then will students be able to use those resources to complete the projects that you've designed for the course? And furthermore, how do those resources then help your students achieve the course outcomes that you've identified? Ideally, we want to provide students with a wide variety of resources, not only to align with a variety of students' learning styles and learning preferences, but also so that they have different ways of accessing and interacting with information in the course besides just a textbook, if you decide to keep a textbook in the course. There are resources that students can read, that they can access online through the Kendall College Library, or that we ask them to purchase as part of the required materials for the course. This might include the textbook, it might include professional books, it might include articles that are available online or accessible through our Kendall EBSCOhost system, or it could be things like case studies. Some of these we require students to purchase, or we might even be able to get an institutional license to be able to have our students access these resources. In addition, with internet technologies, we can access multimedia type of resources as well, such as images, videos, photo albums, animations, and a variety of different kinds of things that either exist already that we can give students access to, or we require students to purchase access to, or as an institution, we purchase access to, or maybe some of these resources we even create. The Center for Teaching and Learning has a variety of tools that can help you create some of these resources, or we can work with you to do that. We also have a course videographer whose job is to work with our subject matter experts to produce video resources that students can use in their courses. So have conversations with people in your profession, see what kind of resources they use and what kind of resources make the most sense to have our students access, so that, like professionals, they're using the same types of resources in their work in the course. Talk to your dean and talk to your faculty colleagues and see what resources they're using, or what resources they may know about that would be applicable to this course. Talk to our librarian. She has access to resources outside of Kendall that are part of a network of libraries within the state that she might also be able to make available to you. And then, of course, talk to the Center for Teaching and Learning, and we'd be happy to help brainstorm ideas with you and possibly even be part of creating some of these resources for you. When you identify resources, it's going to be important that you provide us with enough information about those resources so that we can include APA citations. So you, like your students, can go to the Kendall News page in Blackboard, and you can look up how to write a full citation for those resources.